lady, and I think I look so pretty. I answered a few times in one time, but they said I couldn't answer because I'm ugly. So it made me sad. I cried for weeks. But then I got a doggy, and he chewed me up. But then one night I got hungry, so I ate it, and I got sad again. So I got another dog. But this time he was a small dog, so I didn't want to eat him because he wouldn't have any meat on him. But that's pretty much the last few months of my life. So I just thought I'd share it out with you, YouTube. Okay. Well, I'll see you later, guys. Bye!